Continuing our work with ratios and the concept of fairness, let's say that we have three people, and three people, A, B, and C, those are the three people, and they set up a company with their own money, and that company is set up in the ratio of 3:2:1. So that's, let me get that is 2 in there. That's the idea of the colon again. So they've set that up in the ratio of 3:2:1. Now, to look at this practically, we could say that person A put £300 in, person B put £200 in, and person C puts £100 in. That's how they've started the company. Let's then imagine that after a few months, they've generated £6,000 worth of profit. Well, how do we split that now over those three people in a way that's fair to each of them based on the amount of money they put into the company? Well, let's go through the process that we've already discussed in video 1. First step. Step number 1 is find the total parts. And in this case, the total parts is given by 3 plus 2 plus 1. And that equals to, add those up, that equals the 6. What's the value now of each of those parts? Well, that's step 2. So the value is going to be our profit over that first couple of months, which is 6,000. And we divide that 6,000 by this, the total number of parts. So in this case, if I can get this to work, there's our divide sign. Divide that by 6, and that comes out as 1,000. So each part now is worth £1,000. So how do we find out how much each person gets? Well, person A gets 3 times 1,000, which in this case, of course, is equal to £3,000. Person B, their ratio value is 2, so they get 2 times 1,000, which of course is £2,000. And for clarity, of course, we would always put the units there. And then person C put in 1 part, so they get 1 times 1,000, which again is equal to £1,000. And we know that this is the correct answer here, because if we were to add up these three, then we would come out at £6,000, which of course is the value there that we wished to share. And that's the way we do it.